In this video, I will show you how to deposit money on Interactive Brokers. First, you will need to open an account and get set up. Unlike other platforms like Webull or Robinhood, Interactive Brokers doesn't typically offer free stocks or promotional incentives upon sign-up. However, they focus on delivering value to their clients with lower commissions, fees, and a variety of features. Once you're logged in and on the home dashboard page, you will see an option to deposit money onto the platform. This can be found easily on the interactivebrokers.com website after you sign up. When you click on the deposit option, you'll be presented with various deposit methods. The easiest and fastest way is usually through a direct ACH transfer from your bank. This typically takes just one business day for the funds to become available for trading. Other options include bank wire transfers, online payments, or mailing in a check, although these may take longer to process. If you opt for a wire transfer, keep in mind there may be associated fees. However, it's one of the fastest ways to deposit funds. Standard ACH transfers are usually fee-free but may take a few business days to process. To initiate a deposit, simply select your preferred method. Connect your bank account if necessary, and follow the instructions to transfer funds. You can choose the amount you want to deposit and even set up recurring deposits if you prefer. Once the deposit is confirmed, the funds will be credited to your Interactive Brokers account, and you can start trading. It's essential to review all deposit options and associated fees to choose the method that best suits your needs. Interactive Brokers provides clear instructions for each deposit method, making the process straightforward and convenient for users. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe.